Trading with indicators. Indicators has advantages and disadvantages. I'm a price action swing trader. I don't depend on indicators, but I use only one single indicators, and that is the Fibonacci retracement. That's the most important one that I use, and I also use the 20 moving average for some times. But I use the Fibonacci retracement in confluence. I don't just depend on it because they lags, and I use the Fibonacci in conjunction with price action movement like support, turn, resistance, trend line, moving average, and candlestick pattern. These are the main reason why I use indicators. I don't just depend on indicators. There's a lot of traders out there that depend solely on indicators. I don't use indicators. I don't depend on it because they lag and they give false signal. So in this chart, let me show you some of the examples of why I use indicators, mostly the Fibonacci retracement. Let's go. So for example, guys, here is card CHF where the straight just broke above the previous double bottom, and we just broke above it, broke above the trend line, and now price just broke the neckline of the double top. So what I can do is now I can use the indicators that I use here, like I said, Fibonacci retracement. I start from this low and I take it up to the top level of the swing eye. Now you can see below this level, price is rejecting this 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, and we can see this big bullish engulfing candlestick pattern on the daily time frame. So, and again, you can see below that level, you can see this is a 20 moving average, also rejecting that level. That's two confluence. Then the third confluence was previous resistance, which is previous resistance here. Now turn support here. Price broke this level, make it higher high. Now this is probably a higher low, and we can see the fourth confluence that I use is a candlestick pattern. We can see this bullish engulfing candlestick. So these are the confluence that I use. I don't just use indicators on its own because they lag, and that's one of the reasons why I don't depend solely on indicators. They lag and they give false signal most times. So I believe I'll be able to convince you on indicators. So welcome back, guys. This is the reason why I solely don't use indicators for my trade. I use indicators like the move of Fibonacci retracement 51.8 and 60%, 61.8 and 50% Fibonacci retracement level. Those are the two key levels that I use, and I've been using this because I use them with other confluence. I don't just depend solely on them, but I use them in confluence with other trading signals. So take care. Bye. Peace.